Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're here in the small town of Cassin to show you this 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom townhouse. As we enter, we're straight into the patio, which is the main outside space for this property. There is an opportunity to make this space a little bigger by taking away these 2 walls here and utilising this room as part of your external space. So the town of Cassin is very small, it's very tranquil. We're about 20 minutes from the larger town of Alhama de Granada and about 20 minutes from Montefrio, where you would get onto the main motorway for either Granada City or Malaga Airport. As we enter the house, we're straight into the sitting room. And then I'd like to show you this room where I think it would make sense to have this as part of your outside space. So this room here, it's quite small, but it would be a good office. But if you were to take down the 2 external walls, then you'd have this additional area, which would also be covered for more patio and more seating outside. On the ground floor, we also have a decent sized bedroom, nice sized double room. All of the windows are double glazed with mosquito netting. And the last room on the ground floor is the open plan dining room kitchen with a little bit of seating. So here you can see it's a fully fitted kitchen. The laundry room is outside. This is covered. And then you have a little open section for drying. And then just off is the ground floor bathroom. As you can see, it's fully tiled. It's a decent sized shower room. And the window here is onto the patio. So you could possibly cut through this wall and put in a door there so that you had direct access from the kitchen area to the patio. I'm going to show you the 2 rooms that are upstairs. And there are options to make these 2 rooms into one larger bedroom. So please like and share this video, it helps us with the algorithms. This room on the left doesn't have any external window, but we think it would be very easy to remove this wall here, and then you have a window at the top of the stairs there. And this little room is the last of the bedrooms. It's still a nice size room, but it could be very easily incorporated into the other room. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please like, please share. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. To see more of our houses, go to granadahouses.es. We look forward to showing you this property in Cassin. And if you have any comments or questions, please do leave them in the section below. Thank you for watching.